Geiriau, mae ganddo fo gefnogaeth. Geiriau sy'n mynd i hun, ac mae bron yn disgyn i Nat Jarvis. Hugh wedi mynd yr holl ffordd i ymyl y cwrt Cosby, a dwi'n meddwl mae chwilio am o'r opsiynau oedd o. Dwi'n yn siŵr os doedd hwnna oedd i aramddiffynwr. Jake Phillips ar dafliad hir. Mae'n disgyn! Ac mae mewn! Cadwaladr yn sgorau 4 gol o'r tymor i'r Fflint. Barri'n lledu'r chwarae'n fan hyn. Allan i Jonathan Hood, mae'n mynd ar y chwith. Hood yn gweld rhediad Geiriau. Geiriau yn croesi'n isel! Ac, wel, Ryan Woods yn cael ei ddwylo ar y tro cynta. Y bêl yn disgyn yn syth i lwybr Callum Sainty, a Sainty yn ei tharo hi yn syth yn ôl i ddwylo Ryan Woods. Mae'r peniad ymlaen yn disgyn yn garedig i'r Barri. Wharton drwy'r canol. A Fflint yn Geiriau. Ergyd. O, a mae bron yn sleifio i mewn gan Theo Wharton. Wel, mi nath i ddisgyn yn garedig i Theo Wharton. Wharton yn ergydio a'r bêl yn sleifio drwy Ryan Woods. Cottrell i'r canol, peniad, pres, ac arbediad gan Ryan Woods, dwi'n meddwl, achos mae Curtis MacDonald efo'i ben yn ei ddwylo. Mi oedd cefnogwyr y Barri'n dathlu gol yn barod yn fan'na.
Nearly wasn't a classic, but you got the job done.
I think that's a great way of putting it. Can't argue with that. I think that we've obviously came with a game plan because we're missing a few players today. I thought it was a true reflection probably of what we've assembled this year as a football club. We've tried to build a culture and a togetherness within the group that we sort of embrace the adversity of when we're missing a few players. We've embraced a new way of playing today, a different shape that we've worked on all week. Players came down overnight last night with the right preparation, and we've gone and executed that really well today, I felt. And I thought that our hard work and endeavour, probably deserves to edge it for us in the end.
Look, you look at two teams today, one that's fighting and competing for Europe, and one now that probably has to accept it's going to be in the bottom 6. And there's a reason for that. We can't concede goals like that from allow a free run from the edge of the area into the box, into your 6-yard box, and expect to win things. Look, in terms of the key defining moments of football, or key stats, if you like, quality in the final third, chances created, possession, territory, they're all in our favour. But unfortunately, we conceded a terrible goal today.
Did you feel like you'd done enough in that second half to merit getting a result?
I don't think anybody here today can say that we didn't. I think that the better team lost today, and I think that but that's sport. At the end of the day, if you don't put the ball in the back of the net, you don't deserve to win. But we should be walking out here with at least a point today.
We know Jake's got a big throw. He threw a couple in the first half. I usually go for the flick, so there's usually a flick onto the back post, but he was throwing it that well. I felt like I could get onto the full. So I just said to myself, next one I'm just going to just go and try and win it on the full. Managed to get on the end of it, shut my eyes and went in the back of the net.